Good morning to everyone. So it has been rightly said, this is an exploratory opinion requested by the Danish presidency, and basically we are the first institution to giving an answer for how the digital tools should be used for lawmaking. This topic combines the theory of law, understanding of lawmaking with the use of digital tools, but also with understanding and consideration of ethical aspects. How the digital tools can be used in lawmaking, basically they can be used from the beginning when the regulators are drafting the legal acts. It can help with reference to other legal acts that have been already adopted, therefore it ensures the consistency, but it can also help to draft high-quality impact assessments because it can use valuable data that are already at the disposal of regulators in data spaces. And then throughout the process it can flow again in order to ensure the consistency till the end when the acts are adopted and also when the acts are implemented, as they can help the citizens in different roles, for instance businesses, to implement, to comply with the rules, for instance with the help of digital calculators or legal electronic systems present in a calendar, helping really to comply with the legislation. So as I said, this means that the digital tools should be of help. They should not draft the content instead of regulators or legislators, but they should ensure the transparency, consistency, and in the end the compliance with the rules, and also ensure that people will trust in the institutions. What we do is that we suggest and recommend how the digital tools should be used by EU institutions, and this is based on what has been already done by member states. It's not anything new for the Commission because it has already used the digital tools in the past and it's using it, but maybe this gives an overview how it should be used in a more systemic way. So in the Chapter 4 we say how these should be used, and we also recommend to draw the summary of obligations arising from different legal acts, because in the end the rule means an obligation for the law, for the user of the law, and it means also better understanding of what has been drafted. This goes hand in hand with safeguards, with guarantees, because we say that those who should interpret the legal acts and distract the obligations from the legal acts are the regulators and legislators themselves. So it has to be a human-based approach. Any kind of a use of digital tools also has to be properly tested, and there should be the opportunity to report also the problems and give a valuable feedback. So it's important that the digital tools are used in a way that they will not distract the democratic process and will not impact the ethical aspects. And we think that this could be a great input of the committee to the draft of interinstitutional agreement that is now under the preparation, and we hope that we will be listened to by the politicians and regulators. And I would like to thank to my co-rapporteur, Timothy Roche, but also to the president of the study group and to the members. We had a really great discussion. There were a lot of lawyers and experts, so I think that we have a really great input for our EU institutions. Thank you very much.